What are you doing?
What am I doing? It's a cigarette. Hey! Hey! Not cool!
Don't smoke!
Why?
Bad.
I can. Boulder smokes. Linden smokes. Why can't I?
Do you want to have lung cancer? Do you want stuff to go wrong?
No, but I've smoked like my whole life. Okay, I'll stop. Hey! Did I just get broken up with again?
No. Go over by the fire.
Oh, well, I want to get the fire too.
It's not even lit.
Twitch, you suck. I don't know where you are, but you suck so bad right now. You didn't even light the fire? Yes, thank you, random homeless person. Yes.
There's something up there.
You're just messing with me.
Oh no, no, my voice.
It's a leaf.
Don't you dare!
I know. Where's Lyric?
I don't know.
I thought she was coming tonight.
I don't want her to come.
She's my friend.
That dumped you.
So it doesn't mean that she's not my friend. I mean, she may be trying to... What's so wrong with having a friend that dumped you?
I almost got a war.
Oh. I don't play games.
Don't
Sorry.
mind.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood for that either. Wait, that would hurt if I had something there.
Okay.
Ah! Ah! I was already bruised there. Holy crap!
Hey! Yo!
Whatever. Oh my god. Lyric, shut the thing off.